Hey, what's up coders? So in this video I'm gonna create a Morse code translator. Yeah, I know it has been too long since I uploaded the last video, but I promise I'll be consistent from now on. So first of all, what is a Morse code? If you already know what Morse code is, then skip to this timestamp shown in the video. According to the Wikipedia, Morse code is a method used in telecommunication to encode text characters as standardized sequences of two different signal durations called dots and dashes, or simply dits and das. Morse code is very useful in the cases where we want to send signals. We want to send some message with only two type of signals like on and off, 0 or 1s, dits and das, etc. It is kind of a sign language and we do not necessarily need to have any electrical or electronic devices to send signals like this. We can send Morse codes with blinking our eyes or nodding our head, etc. I will put some links in the description where you can read more about Morse codes. I wanted to create this with JavaScript and HTML so that everyone on the web can access that. I started by creating a simple HTML page without any fancy stuffs. All the functionalities will be added later. Then I added some buttons to perform specific tasks like play, sound on off, or flash, toggle, etc. I also put in a frequency slider to alter the frequencies of the input and output sounds. At this point we can type in any text and it will convert that to a Morse code, as you can see here. And we can also type a Morse code and it will detect that it is a Morse code and translate that to readable English letters. And I also added a flashy container. Why? You'll see in a moment. We press play button and as sound and flash both are on, it produces sound and flash. And this is a toggle button to make it a full screen so that a friend from far away can see my message. Finally, the moment you all are waiting for. Codes. Show me the code. Show me the code. Here it is. I can't explain line by line, but I can show you the code. Yeah, and one more thing. All codes will be available on my GitHub. Links are in the description below. And here are the 4 translation functions: text to Morse, simple Morse to text, simple Morse to binary, and binary to Morse. Using these 4 functions, I can translate any kind of signal to anyone. This is a JavaScript object that contains characters and their equivalent Morse codes and vice versa. Remember, we didn't test the listen button yet. Now we'll test that and see what it does. So this is it for the video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll be back with another cool coding project. Till then, have a great day, have a great night, enjoy your life, be happy, stay happy. Goodbye.